Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this tutorial, I will show you how to set photo as wallpaper on Samsung S25 Plus. Let's begin. Now, there are two ways to do it. First is to simply go to settings, scroll down a little bit until you will see wallpaper and style. Here you can actually choose which wallpaper you want to change. On the left side you have your lock screen and on the right side you have your home screen. I will choose home screen now and simply click wallpapers. And as you can see now, we can open our gallery, go to our recents, and as you can see, I have made previously a photo of the little plant here. And we can simply click done, or we can actually go straight into our gallery and just click the photo that you want to set on your wallpaper. Click those three dots here and simply click set as wallpaper. Now you may actually choose a few different options. You can choose wallpaper from the lock screen, home screen, both of them, or even a background from the call. But I don't have currently this little plant number, so sorry, I can't really choose the call background. I will stick to the home screen, and after I'm satisfied, I simply click done. And as you can see, now we have our beautiful plant as our background. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.